Hi there, boys and girls and families. In this video I'm going to show you how to get around our website and where to find your assignments for the day. So this is our home page. On our home page I've got a welcome video. You're watching this video right now, and the next video is listing the different things and showing you the different things that are in the green bin that you picked up from school. Down below that I've got lots of videos that show you how to log into the different websites we use at school. Always start by logging into your Google account. We've also got instructions on Seesaw, Extra Math, Kids A to Z, Boom Cards, Spelling City, and I'll have a video here on how to get into Zoom. And then you'll also find my contact information here. The next tab over is our morning meeting tab. Kids will start here each day. They need to click on the morning meeting video and watch that to find out what they'll be doing for the day. Some days we'll have an extra activity beneath. They just need to click on that and they will be directed to that assignment. The next tab is math. There is a video here that tells you how to navigate the math page and what to do in math, but basically you're just going to look for the date and then go down the list and do the different assignments that are listed for each day. Friday is down below. Next tab is Reading Workshop. In Reading Workshop, this banner here tells you what you'll be working on each day. For your spelling words for the week, you need to click this arrow and they will be listed down below. We've got list A, and if you keep going, list B is down below that. So be sure to take your pre-test on list A at the beginning of the week to know if you're going to study list A or list B. Then you'll see your daily assignments here for spelling, reading, and writing. Any place you see words that are underlined, that is a link. Just click on those words and that will take you to the website you need to go to. The websites are also linked here in these blue buttons. Our next tab is specials. We've got a website for Mr. Fraud's PE class, Mr. CJ's music class, and this will be Miss Depkin's library class. Below that, if you go to a special teacher, if you go to Miss DeBoard's class, you're going to click here to go to her room. If you go to Miss Emily, you'll click here for your assignments from Miss Emily, and this is where you'll find information on your speech class. Finally, we've got a link for, a page for other links. So far, I've got Lexia Core 5. If you do Lexia Core 5 in the classroom, you should continue doing that at home for maybe 15 minutes a day. Just click here and follow the instructions below to get there. This is for zones of regulation. There's some daily lessons on how to help recognize your emotions and take care of those. This week's theme is what to do when we worry. And if you want to get onto our Scholastic news site, just click here and follow the directions on how to log in there. So that's our website. Please call me or email me if you have any questions.